Well, welcome to another week of shenanigans at the high maintenance hangar. When I left last week, Dylan was working on getting everything tied off in the other nacelle. Well, now everything in forward of the firewalls is done. Everything is tied off, and so nothing's going to collide with anything. So that part's done. And so now the next job is to get the cowl flaps off that need to be painted. These were missed during the paint process, and so that's what we're going to do next. At the airport, and then this happened, and man, was it loud. It was pretty dang cool. I always thought sky cranes were just really incredible beasts. Apparently they're in for overnight and taking off tomorrow, but I won't be here, so I won't get to see it tomorrow. Here's a view from inside this thing. Oh, that's interesting. They put their notes on the windshield. Oh, that's kind of a cool idea. Oh, that looks really familiar. Some turnbuckles. And we all know how I feel about turnbuckles. Isn't that cool?
It's amazing.
Yeah. Jan's got both the upper cowls up where they can be worked on. He's over working on another aircraft right now, so when he gets back we'll find out where he is on this. We're working on these intake trunks, induction, cowl induction, you know, how to feed the carburetor air. And last week we took the cowls off, and now we've got the induction unit on here. It's all Zeused down. So now what we have to do, when the cowl comes down, it has to come straight down, and the rubber inlet duct needs to come right straight down in here and face off of right here. So by the way, this apparatus to take the cowls off is just Jim dandy. But so we've got this flexible duct in here What we don't know is what it is from here to the rivet holes. We're probably going to have to take out these corners right here. This is not a Douglas part. This is for Canadian CL215 version of this same setup. These are a lot better than the old Douglas parts, and you can't find the Douglas parts anymore. So we're going to set this up there and see what that looks like to try to find our holes to rivet into this, because that duct goes clear up in there. And we've got a piece of foam to keep the shape while we try to find them holes. So Jan and Dylan and I are going to put this back up on there and see what that means. Down?
Yeah, come down. Slowly. Okay, can you get your around here? Yeah. Can I go on the back side?
Yeah.
We don't have to put it down all the way.
Okay, come down another inch or so.
You're stuck on something, Jan.
Okay, let's see if the hooks are grabbing those red rods.
You're sitting on something because you came unhooked.
I didn't.
Yeah.
What? What do you mean?
The front is unhooked, the paper dropped out.
Oh, here.
So you're hung up on something.
Over there? That's it there? What's it there? There. So here's that hook on my side, don't click, right?
No,
Yeah, is it clear? My other side's right there.
yeah, that's,
So get your place, yeah, back side is right here.
yeah.
That's what you want to do. So you have that succession, you can't go forward. And forward. So, okay, another piece of waffle. Hold on, hold on. Okay. This is, put these hookers. Can you still see them all? The hook, the latch, yeah, okay, that doesn't touch it. Now it went past, so. Okay, done?
Yeah.
You got a flange. We're telling you, that side is right. Yeah, okay. Then that side push forward. That's what goes forward. Forward. So that side, that push forward, can't go back. That's on that side.
Yeah.
And it buckles down like that. Go on. Go more. Go more. Can you go up? They both off.
Okay, I'm not going to start you to touch that rings now.
I think so, yeah.
Now this is a,
Yeah, now you might have to go back to the other side. Can't go forward. So can you see that channel back? I think you gotta go back. You pull that 6 points back. That's not go back a little more. So that flange.
you want me to take it off now?
You want to drop some more in there?
Okay, it's enough stuff. Okay, I got that put it up there? Yes. There's nothing there for the whole scramble left. But that's it. Rid of those, okay. There's no duct there. Yes, okay. They don't have to do it. Well, what I'm saying is, yeah, I don't think there's any lever piece.
All right, we've been struggling with this cowl because if we put the cowl on by itself, man, it just drops on. It's really slick and it snaps in place. When we put the duct in, however, it stops it cold. So I think, again, because this is a Douglas cowl and we're using CL215 inlet boots, this is just a little bit tight and it's causing the cowl to not want to go down and latch. So Jan's going to relieve this and see what happens. However, it's the end of the day here Friday. I've got to take off, so we're going to have to see where this ends up in next week's episode. Hope you had some enjoyment from this. I hope I don't bore you to death with what we're doing. But thanks for watching our videos. If you wouldn't mind sharing, liking, doing a subscription, and make comments. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.